welcome to Electrical Mind. Today video topic is about the generation of steam power plant గురించి చెప్పుకుందాం. నా వాయిస్ కొంచెం బాగాలేదు, ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ మైండ్. సో జనరేషన్ అనేది ఇప్పుడున్న ప్రజెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ప్రతిదీ కూడా మనకి ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీతోనే లింక్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సో ఫర్ దట్ బల్క్ power generation we generate the power from the power plants. So the classification of the power plants are steam power plant or thermal power plant, steam or thermal, hydroelectric power plant, diesel power plant and nuclear power plant. So already we have seen about the thermal power plant in my starting videos. So still today let's see about the same topic in detail about a thermal power station. So thermal power station, actually this thermal power plant, steam power plant, works on the principle of the Rankine cycle. This is important. Works on the principle of the Rankine cycle. So what is Rankine cycle? Rankine cycle means which converts the heat energy into mechanical energy. Which converts heat energy into mechanical energy is called Rankine cycle. So the fuel that we use in steam power plant or thermal power plant is coal. Which type of coal we use, I already told in my previous videos. Which type of coal that we use in steam power plants, I already told in the previous video. So the steam is expanded in prime mover. Where the steam is expanded means in prime mover and is condensed in a condenser to feed into the boiler again. మళ్ళీ బాయిలర్లోకి వెళ్ళడానికి అక్కడ స్టీమ్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ అయిన స్టీమ్ అనేది కండెన్సర్లోకి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ నుండి బాయిలర్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ basic of the steam power plant. So now we see about the schematic arrangement of steam power plant. The schematic arrangement of steam power plant consists of six schematic arrangements. They are the coal and ash handling arrangement, steam generating plant, steam turbine, alternator, feed water and cooling arrangement. So let's see about the coal and ash handling plant. Coal, the coal we need to transport the coal means it is through the railways or by road. It is possible by railways or transported through by road. From coal storage plant, coal is delivered to coal handling plant. From storage plant to the coal is delivered to the coal handling plant. So there in that coal handling plant, the coal is pulverized. Pulverized means it is crushed into small pieces. It is called pulverized coal. So it is fed into that pulverized coal is fed into the boiler by belt conveyors. Through belt conveyors that coal pulverized coal is fed into the boiler. So after that coal is burnt in the boiler and ash produced means the combustion that is completely removed by ash handling plant. After the combustion of the coal, that ash is removed at ash handling plant. So this is about the coal and ash handling plant. Coal handling plant means where the coal is delivered from storage plant to handling plant. It is called the coal handling plant. Ash handling plant means after the combustion of the coal, that ash is removed at the ash handling plant. This is about the coal and ash handling plant. So the next one after the coal and ash handling plant. Second one is steam generating plant. So in this steam generating plant, it consists of a boiler for production of steam. It is called the steam generating plant. In this steam generating plant, we have the boiler. In this is the most important bit which I marked star mark. This is the most important bit. Why means this question is recently asked in SPDCL exam of 2022 July, which was held in last year. This question, they asked this question, from where the flue gases from the boiler make their journey through. They asked like this, from where the flue gases from the boiler where the flue gases make their journey, and they gave the options. We have to arrange that in chronological order. So first the the flue gases from the boiler, it enters into the superheater, then economizer. After economizer, it enters into the air preheater, and last finally it finally through goes to the chimney into the atmosphere. So this is the most important bit. We have to remember this chronological order. Boiler to superheater to economizer to air preheater, and then it finally goes to the atmosphere through chimney. So here in this superheater, it raises the temperature and steam above the boiling point. At this superheater, it increases the temperature of the steam above the boiling point. Where it happens means it happens in superheater. This is about the boiler. So next one is after boiler, we have about the steam turbine. So in this steam turbine, which the actually heat energy of steam enters to the blade of the turbine, and it converts it into the mechanical energy. So what happens in steam turbine is heat energy of steam is converted into mechanical energy. After that, we have the alternator means it is a generator. The generator that which we use in steam power plants is synchronous generator, 3-phase synchronous generator, and the type of the alternator that we use is cylindrical rotor synchronous generator. It is a alternator used in cylindrical power plants is a 2-pole or 4-pole generator of RPM 3000 or 1500 RPM. So what alternator do is this mechanical energy, where the mechanical energy that we got at steam turbine, this alternator converts this mechanical energy into electrical energy. So this question was also asked in AEE exam, which type of generator is used in thermal power plants. Which type of alternator is used in thermal power plants? This was asked in AEE exam in January, electrical paper. So after that, the choice of site for steam power plant. What are the site that we have to choose for the steam power plant means supply of power, supply of fuel, where we have the fuel convenient, there we have to construct the steam power plant. So availability of water, we have to construct across the where the water availability is less, we have where the water availability we have. So after that, transportation facility we must have. If we see the most of us see that the coal is transported through railways or by road. Mostly we seen through railways. So after that, cost and type of the load, near to load center. The power plant must be near to the load centers. After that, it must be constructed distance from the populated areas. That means it must be constructed outskirts of the cities where people won't live. So these are the choice of the site that we have to construct. We have to see for the steam power plant. After this, so after that choice of site, we have about the thermal efficiency. Thermal efficiency of the steam power plant is of 30%. This is also important. Thermal efficiency is of 30%, and the formula, if we want to calculate the thermal efficiency, the formula is heat. So these are important. Thermal efficiency is 30%, overall efficiency is 29%. Overall efficiency, if we want to calculate the overall efficiency, the formula is thermal efficiency into electrical efficiency. So this is about the steam power plant. సో ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.